How to fix FreshCut app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and after that, tap on the Play Store application on your device and search for FreshCut application. As you can see, there's an option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the FreshCut application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the FreshCut application on our device. That will give us three options. So just tap on app info and it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on that, it will give you the option of deleting all data. Now if it's possible, you can delete all data, but if it's not, then you can just delete or clear the cache. I'm going to delete all data and then tap on app permissions and make sure that you toggle on all these options by going to each options and giving the access. As you do that, it might be solving your issue, and if not, you can just restart the device and that might fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.